Good morning, Anvi. Good morning, Kavya. Good morning, Kritika. Finally, my work got over. Good morning, Sharmila. Good morning, everyone. Come on, join this class as fast as possible. Good morning, Kavya. So, last class in nomenclature. Next class will be physics. Okay. So, most probably, next class will be physics. Today chemistry I'm teaching. Most probably physics class will be this week itself. 2-3 physics class we are going to apply. 2-3 days classes were getting disturbed because of examination. So I'm going to plan to keep some extra classes. Okay, get ready for it. Mhm. Sarna, good evening. Good morning. Okay, nomenclature we started. In that we have studied some of the most important major sections. So now we are going to write some questions. Now we need to understand some questions. I'm just giving you one question. Ashwita, nice to see you. So long, but I have not seen you. Your name was not coming. Yes, Ovian, good morning. I'm counting the names of the students, those who are exactly present right now in the class. So, how many secondary carbon atoms are present in this compound? Secondary, okay. How many secondary? Satya, good morning. Maya, good morning. Maya, your scores are good, so I plan to make some extra arrangement for you. So 100% those children whose scores are coming good, for them some extra test and some extra preparation I'm going to plan. So now look here. Beta, how many secondary, primary no, secondary carbon atoms, okay? CH3, CH, come on, start working. CH3, after that CH2, CH2, that is CH, CH2, CH2, CH, apro CH3, CH3. So CH3 and CH3. Now you need to identify how many secondary carbon atoms are there. Your options are A, B, C, and D. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? Understood. Good morning. So, how many secondary carbon atoms are present there? So, you need to identify secondary carbon atoms. How many secondary carbon atoms are present there? So, we need to check secondary carbon atoms. Come on, say what is the answer, beta? What is how many secondary carbon atoms are present there? Kavya is telling two secondary carbon atoms are present there. The answer is absolutely Mahalakshmi Kritika. Yes, Ovian, absolutely correct answer. It is exactly having two secondary carbon atoms. Yes, absolutely correct. Now let's identify the location where and all secondary carbon atoms are present. So this is the location, first location where secondary carbon atoms are present. Okay, this is the first location where secondary carbon atom is present, and this is the second location where secondary carbon atoms are present. So secondary, good morning Jotam, good morning. See, look here. So there are two locations where secondary carbon atoms are present. So here, first location is here where secondary carbon atoms are present, and this is the second position where secondary carbon atoms are present. But if you will say your name, it will be easy for me to coordinate with you. Okay, okay. Now, next question. We are going to start with our next work because last class we have talked about. Thank you for liking the class. So, last class we have talked about carboxylic acid, and we came to know that carboxylic acid is one of the functional group. Good morning, Ashish. Is one of the functional group. And after that, what we have learned? We have went with esters. And in esters, also we learned how to name them. So ester also, we learn how to name them. Now what we are going to do is, we will be going for aldehydes. Okay. So next, our target today is aldehydes. So what name? Aldehydes. So now for aldehydes, what in all work we are going to do? First, we will go with general formula. So what is the general formula? First heading is aldehyde. Okay. So in the aldehyde part, general formula. Last class we discussed about alkyl. Last class, did you notice we had discussion about what you call alkyl? Alkyl means कि we are going to put like this and we will write CnH2n plus 1. Come beta. CnH2n plus 1. So this is exactly comes it. So here it is called as alkyl part. Very good. Oh, no problem. Sit problem. So now this is exactly coming as alkyl part. CnH2n, it is coming as CnH2n plus 1. Open bond will be there. This is considered as alkyl. This is considered as what? Alkyl group. Now what we are going to do here is, when we will be talking about aldehyde. So at the case when we are talking about aldehyde, general formula is R C, that is CHO we can say. So general formula it is coming as CHO, R C, and here if you will see, so that is called as RCHO. We can say like that. Good morning, Vishwa. Yes. So or we can say the general formula is RCHO. This is exactly considered as what? This is considered as aldehyde. Money, good morning. So this is considered as aldehyde. Everybody check your live button is on or not. So I am going to account and I am going to talk everyone. Tarun, Ilavarshan, yes. So this is exactly called as aldehyde. General formula is what? Ilavarshan? Ila? RCHO. Absolutely. RCHO. This comes under general formula. Everybody, come on. Start answering my question. So, functional group. So, what is the functional group? So, our functional group here is, what is the functional group here? The functional group here is CHO. This is our functional group. The functional group here is CHO. Very good. Maya, answer the questions. The functional group here is CHO. What is the secondary suffix? Secondary suffix is that suffix which comes because of the functional group, and the secondary suffix comes at last. Understood? So secondary suffix is al. Yes, absolutely. Good morning, Anu. Secondary suffix. Here we can talk about secondary suffix, and secondary suffix is al. Secondary suffix is al. Yes, absolutely correct, Ashish. So here everybody, absolute correct. First answer is given by Kavya. So secondary suffix is al. Okay. Now how to name IUPAC? Absolutely correct. Children, come on, keep answering as fast as possible. You should be very, very active so that I can take your name. Now look here, IUPAC. So when IUPAC will be there, how to name IUPAC? Functional group, secondary suffix, IUPAC, let's talk about. So when somebody will be asking you about IUPAC system. So when IUPAC system, somebody will be talking about, in that alkane, ALKANE. From alkane, you have to remove this E and add all. So it will become alkanal. What it will become? Alkanal. Alkanal. That is ALKANAL. That is called as what, beta? Alkanol. What it is called as? Alkanol. Okay. E will be removed. E will be removed, and that is called as alkanol. common name. So if somebody will be asking you, absolutely correct, Jotam. That's the correct way of approach. From alkane, E is removed and all is added. That is the meaning of alkanol. Very good. Ovian, where are you? Kavya? Vishwa? I'm searching both the Vishwas. So now this is called as alkanol. Now with a common name, how to go with common name? If somebody will be asking you how to go with common name, because this is IUPAC name. This name is called as IUPAC name. So in common name, we can call it as formaldehyde acetaldehyde. In name of aldehyde, we are going to call it as formaldehyde acetaldehyde. Formaldehyde and acetaldehyde. So how we are going to call it as? So if it is HCHO, HCHO. So that is called as what? We are going to call it as formaldehyde. Understood? That is aldehyde adding. So we are going to write aldehyde. So aldehyde means acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde, formaldehyde, like that name we are exactly giving. Formaldehyde, acetaldehyde. Yes, formaldehyde, acetaldehyde. So now we are going to do the naming work. Formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, like that we can keep on. Aldehyde word we are using, that is acetic acid minus ic acid, that is called as aldehyde. Okay, acetaldehyde, acetaldehyde. Good morning, Gopika. Hi, beta. So acetaldehyde, it is considered as what? Acetaldehyde. I hope all of you are present. All of you are present. Come on, make a presence fast. Everybody, come on, say me hi. All people, those who are present, so that I can come to know that all are still listening me. So acetaldehyde, acetaldehyde, only H type. Yes, 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 yes. Super, super, super. Very good. Some are late still. Yes, super. So that is called as beta formaldehyde and acetaldehyde. Jasmita, good morning. Shadna, hi. So acetaldehyde and formaldehyde. So these are exactly two, but we are going to start naming it, and then chain part also we are going to finish. Are we ready for it? We will go for the next part. Now look here, beta. So if somebody will be asking you now HCHO. So when we will do HCHO, the moment we are doing HCHO, it is called as what? In IUPAC naming, it will be called as what, beta? Methane, METHAN. E we are going to remove, and what we are going to add? Al. It will become methanol. What it will become? Methanol. Absolutely correct. And other name, common name is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. Note down, beta. Formaldehyde. Methanol or formaldehyde. Absolutely correct. Methanol or formaldehyde. Absolutely. Everybody, please. Yes, formaldehyde. Don't make gap between them. Formaldehyde is one single word. Come, Ray. Very late. Formaldehyde is one single name. This is no problem. You go straight away also. So formaldehyde is there. So formaldehyde, note down from him. He is noting everything. So formaldehyde, absolutely, absolutely correct. This name is called as for formaldehyde. We will go with the second one. Come on, children, tell this one. CH3CHO. What is the name? What is the name? Come on, type fast and say. The name is ethanol or acetal acetal acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. DEHYDE. Acetaldehyde. Absolute correct. Super. That next name is called as acetaldehyde. Absolutely correct. Come on. Keep writing and keep sending. So this is called as acetaldehyde. Absolutely correct. Ethanol, methanol, propanol, butanol, pentanol, hexanol, heptanol, octanol, dodecanol, like that we can say. But all is something which we are going to add at the end. Absolutely correct. That is called as acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde, formaldehyde, like that we are adding. I hope you might have understood, children. Come on, say yes, understood. Now we are going to go with secondary suffix. See, secondary suffix addition is okay. Now primary suffix part, we are going to add some extra things in that and we are going to check it. Okay, are you ready for it? Now let's check this one out. So if CH3, come on children, do it, CH. Now CH3 is there, afterwards CH2 and CHO is there. So now how we are going to name it? Come on children, how we are going to name it? Please like the class also because Mansi auntie is fighting with me. Huh? From where we are going to start numbering? Are we going to start numbering from this side or we are going to start numbering from this side? Yes, their team is telling you are never asking for likes. Okay, so this side or this side? So here, this side or this side, beta? Which is the, thank you so much, beta. Now she will not scold me. Now look at this side or this side. Which side we are going to start numbering? We are going to start numbering from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Absolutely. Thank you so much. So now look here. So beta from 4 we are exactly going to do. Why? Because the main functional group is here, right to left, absolutely. The main functional group is here, beta. So since the main functional group is here, from here only 7 likes, 18 people are there online. So Mansi auntie will kill me. So now look here, CHO from here to here. So what we are going to do is we will be counting from here. But how, which location methyl is there? Third location is. So let's see how many people are writing 2 methyl or 3 methyl, right? Check to. Kavya, 2 methyl or 3 methyl? The correct answer is 3 methyl. Very good. Thank you so much, beta. So 3 methyl, 3 methyl. Now what is the main parent chain, beta? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is butanal. 3 methyl butane, removed E, al. 3 methyl butanal. It is considered as 3 methyl butanal. It is considered as what? 3 methyl butanal. Very good. So now we will go for the next one. This is called as what, beta? 3 methyl butanal. 3 methyl butanal is one part. Now we will be going. Absolutely correct, Maniveda. Absolutely. Again, some children are not online right now. So now we will go for the next one. Get ready for it. CH3, CH, CH3. Now name it, beta. Hi, Sangeeta. Huh? Now, beta, name it. Start numbering it. From where we are going to start numbering, beta? We are going to. Okay, वापस. Now look beta. Here na functional groups are there, Sangeeta. So in the functional group, beta, what we are doing here is we are starting from where the functional group is, that is taken as priority, Sangeeta. So here, from here, if numbering is starting from here, so see functional group, wherever functional group is there, we are going to start numbering from there, beta. So here functional group is here. So we started numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So here 6, see look here. So here 4 and 5 are having methyl group, beta. So since 4 and 5 are having methyl group, so what we are going to say, dimethyl or only methyl? We are going to say dimethyl. You forgot 2 times methyl is there, beta. So since 2 times we see 2 times methyl is there, it will be considered as dimethyl. Okay. So what we are going to write? 4, 5 dimethyl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexanal. Understood? Hexanal. Hexane. Al. Now, beta, hexanal. Why we are saying hexanal? Dimethyl. Dimethyl means two times methyls are added. Now look here. Where are the dimethyl? If only one time added is only methyl. You see here only methyl added. Here how many times we have added? Two times added. So since two times added, it is called as dimethyl. So what we are going to say? 4, 5, 4 location first, 5 location after that. So 4 comma 5 dimethyl hexanal. 4 comma 5 dimethyl hexanal, like that we are going to say. So methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane. So we are going to name it as hexanal. Kritika, what answer you are writing? So this is considered as hexanal beta. 4 5 dimethyl hexanal. Now we are going to go for another functional group that is considered as ketone. Got it? So beta, this one is okay for everybody. I hope this one is ready for everyone. Means we have discussed about aldehyde. Common name of aldehyde comes as formaldehyde, acetaldehyde. Understood? So we are writing that oic acid, oic removing. Okay, beta, that's my duty here. No problem. Thank you so much. So now look here. So this is exactly called as aldehyde part. So when somebody will be discussing and asking about aldehyde, so we are going to proceed formaldehyde and acetaldehyde. And then beta, we have learned that if any subsequent group we are adding, so how we are giving importance to subsequent group. Now we are going to study about ketones. Are you ready? So now beta, next part is ketones. Give a heading, ketones. Own. When we are talking about ketones, we are going to add the word on. Absolutely correct. So what is the general formula for ketone? So general formula for ketone is R C O R dash. This is the general formula for ketone and we are called it as one. Yes, R C O R dash, where R and R dash are two different alkyl groups. They are what beta? They are two different alkyl groups. Alkyl, I told you na, single chain will be there. If aryl groups also can be added there. Alkyl or aryl, we can add both of them. No problem with that. I hope you might have understood. RCOR dash. So that is considered as what? Yes, absolutely. That is considered as alkyl. That is this part. Yes, alkyl or aryl group. Okay, so here functional group. What is our functional group? So next part is functional group. So if somebody will be asking you about functional group, then what answer you are going to give, beta? What is the functional group? Open bond O and open bond, sorry, O. Sorry, this part I'm writing. Yes, this is exactly the functional group. Good morning. Hi, Vital. I missed you yet. I thought you are going to say some answers, but you didn't give because always you have a habit of writing the answers now. So this is exactly coming as